All right, let's talk about that Kindle you've got. You probably think you know it pretty well, right? But what if I told you there are some hidden features that could, totally change how you read? We're about to unlock its real potential. I mean, if all you're doing is just tapping to turn the page, you are seriously missing out on some of the power that's packed into that little device. So, today, we're going to fix that. In just the next few minutes, we're going to fly through 3 super simple hacks that are going to level up your skills. You ready? Okay, first up, we've got a feature that, honestly, it feels like a secret cheat code you'd find in an old video game. I'm calling it the secret screenshot. Just think about it for a second. Have you ever been reading and you stumble on this amazing quote, or maybe a really complex diagram in a technical book, and you just thought to yourself, man, I wish I could just save this page right now? Well, guess what? You can. And the way you do it is almost shockingly simple. You just tap a top corner and the opposite bottom corner of the screen at the exact same time. So, top left and bottom right, or top right and bottom left. The screen will give a little flash and boom, screenshot is saved. That's it. This is a total game changer. It is absolutely perfect for grabbing those inspiring quotes to share with friends later, or for saving a critical diagram from some manual without having to grab your phone and take a blurry picture of the screen. It's so useful. All right, hack number 1 is in the bag. Now for our second tip, which is a complete lifesaver for certain types of documents. Let's talk about desktop Node. So what about PDFs? Or, those books that have really wide charts and tables? Do you ever find yourself kind of squinting at the screen, trying to make sense of everything all crammed into that tall, skinny portrait view? It can be so frustrating and it completely breaks your reading flow. Well, the solution is super elegant and it's something you've had this whole time. Just turn your Kindle on its side. Just switch it over to landscape view. Look, while portrait mode is fantastic for your everyday novels and articles, landscape mode is absolutely essential for PDFs, charts, or really any kind of complex document. It completely transforms the experience, It makes it feel less like you're staring at a tiny screen and more like you're reading an actual full-sized page. Okay, let's move on to our third and final pro tip. And this one is all about speed and convenience. It's instant font control. Just think about how you normally change the font size. You have to tap the top of the screen, then you open that AA menu, you fiddle around with a slider. It's this whole multi-step process that just pulls you right out of the book. Forget all that. Instead, you can resize the text in a second, just like you're zooming in on a photo on your smartphone. Just place 2 fingers on the screen and pinch them together to make the text smaller or spread them apart to make it bigger. It's really that simple. It's so intuitive, it honestly feels like magic. No menus, no interruptions. You just get seamless control over your reading experience right when you need it. So there you have it. 3 simple hacks that take you from being a casual reader to a full-on Kindle power user. Welcome to your new reading game. Let's do a quick rapid-fire recap, okay? For screenshots, you tap opposite corners. For those wide documents, you go landscape. And to resize text in an instant, you just pinch and spread. Got it? With just those 3 little tricks, you've completely changed how you can interact with your device. You've gone way beyond the basics. You're not a basic user anymore. You're a pro now. And that kind of leaves me with one final thought. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other pro features, what other hidden shortcuts are just sitting there, waiting to be discovered on all the other devices we use every single day?